Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to apply jobs in Indeed.com. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the website just like so. Then you want to sign in using your account. Then you want to also verify by using or by entering your mobile number, just like so. I'm from Egypt, so I'm going to enter my phone number. Then I'm going to hit the verify and I will choose text me. And after that, they'll send you a verification code. Just hit the submit. And now you will have to enter the CAPTCHA, then hit the submit. And here you are in the home page. Now I'm gonna search for any job. Let's say that I will search for graphic designer, for example. Here you go. Then he should choose the where do you want to actually to find it. I'm gonna find it in Career, then I'm gonna click on find jobs, and here you are. You have some jobs right here. You can simply click on apply now. Then you will have to add your CV, you will have to add the postal code, the location, street address. So they will ask you for some of your data. And let's say that I live in Cairo, Makatam, Street 9. What is your expected salary? Let's say 12,000, for example. Then I'm going to click on continue. And now I'm going to upload my resume. This is my resume here, as you can see, Zain CV. This is my own resume. As you can see, this is mine. I'm going to click on continue. Then they are preparing it for the review. This is my own apply. Then I'm going to hit submit your application, and they will get a confirmation email to my email, as you can see. And that is it. This is how easy it is. I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video. And I hope all of you got your dream job and get benefit of Indeed.com.